In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a contributor Squarespace. If you want someone to help manage your site without sharing your login, contributor access is the right way to do it. Make sure you're signed into your site and that you have permission to manage users, typically as an owner or admin. Start on your site dashboard and look for the settings gear icon. Click that to open your site settings. In the settings menu, find permissions and ownership. This is where Squarespace keeps all the tools for managing who can access your site and what they're allowed to do. If you land on a general overview page first, go ahead and choose permissions and ownership again to open the detailed permissions section. Inside the permissions area, look for the button labeled Invite Contributor and click it. This opens the invite panel. Here, enter the person's name and their email address. Use an email they actively check, since the invitation will be sent there, and double check for typos to avoid delays. It's a small detail, but it saves a lot of back and forth. Next, choose the role you want to assign. Click the role menu to review the options. You'll see choices like Administrator and Website Editor. Click Administrator to understand what full access looks like. This level can manage site settings, cut content, and often sensitive areas like billing and domains. Then click Website Editor to compare. That role is designed for people who need to update pages, blog posts, and other content without the power to change ownership or billing. Think carefully about the least access needed to do their work. If you're unsure, start with Website Editor. You can always adjust later. Once you've entered the name and email and selected the role that fits, click Invite Contributor to send the invitation. Squarespace will email the person a link to accept. They'll either sign in with an existing account or create a new one tied to the email you entered. Until they accept, you'll see them listed as pending in your permissions area. If they don't receive the email, ask them to check spam or junk, and you can resend the invite from the same permissions screen. That's all there is to it. Click the settings icon, open permissions and ownership, choose Invite Contributor, add their details, pick the right role, and send. With the right role assigned, your collaborator can jump in confidently while your site stays secure and organized.